So the first thing you got to do is start off with all of the weight of all of the things. So that's going to be the airplane, the passengers, the baggage, and the fuel. So the empty weight I'll show you how we set this up. So weight, arm, and the moment. First, the empty weight of the airplane is 2015. I know that because empty weight is 2015. The moment is 1,55400. We don't need to worry about the arm because it gives us the moment, so we don't got to worry about doing no actual math to figure that out. Next thing we got is the front seat occupants. Front seat occupants is 350 pounds. The arm for front seat occupants, as we see on this chart, is 85. Arm of 85. Before I get the moment, we'll go ahead and get the rest of the data. Back seat occupants, 325. And if we look over here, rear seat occupants, the arm is 121. Baggage, £27. And the arm is 140. All right, your fuel is 35 gallons. 35 gallons, if we write 35 here, that would be wrong because it needs the weight, not the number of gallons. Remember that. So 35 gallons, as we look here under usable fuel, is 210 pounds. The arm is 75, and it gives us what our moment will be, which would be 15800. All right, now we're gonna add up our weights after we figure out all the moments. So let's do the math across. So weight times arm equals moment. Okay. And just use your calculator. Don't try to do this math in your head or nothing crazy, because you're gonna mess up. So 350 times 85 is 29750, and 325 times 121 is 39325, and then for the bags, 27140 is 3780. And if we do the math for 210 times 75, will be, now here's the thing, if you use the table, it's 15800. If you actually multiply it out, it'll be 15750, so it rounds it to 15800. Close enough for what we're doing. So Just be consistent in how you do it. All right, now what we got to do is we got to add up our weights and our moments. Weights and our moments. Do not need to do anything else with the arms. So do not add those down or anything crazy like that, because it'll mess it all up. All right, so let's go ahead and total up our weights. Our total weight of the aircraft with the front seat, back seat, bags, and fuel is 2927. Total moments is 244005. All right, so the question asks, is the CG and the weight of the airplane within limits? Since we're using the table, what we'll do is we'll go to the weight of 2927 and then see if the moment is within. All right, so moment limits versus weight limits. Let's see this right there, right? So we get the weight 2927, which is in between here. So now we got to ask ourselves, is the moment of 244005. So 244, and we look at it, it's below this, above that, and being that 27's in between those two. That number is in between there. So the answer is yes. We are within the CG and weight limits. That's a lot. But the big picture is, using the table, you can look at the weights. For example, like when we look at the front seat weight, it says 350. The thing is, the weights only go up to 200. So it kind of sets you up to not really have the answer, be able to use the table how you should be able to. Which, that's why I don't like some of the questions on this test, because it doesn't test your ability to use the chart, it tests your ability to know the trick question. So what you do is you look to find what the arm is, and then you get the information you need. So for the front seat, 350 is the weight, even though it only goes up to 200, and your arm is 85. So 350 times 85 gives you your moment for that particular item.